Over 9 billion cups of Anverally tea are savoured and experienced across the globe every year. From the US to Europe, the Middle East to Africa and the Far East, making Anverally tea the world's favourite Ceylon tea since 1890. Made using the finest tea leaves from around Sri Lanka. The story of Anverally tea dates back almost as long as the history of Ceylon tea. M.S. Hebdullaboy and brothers founded Anverally tea in 1890. Shortly after, Ceylon began commercially exporting tea, and the business has grown over 5 generations. Anverally tea is presently over 400 employees strong and supplies premium tea to over 70 countries under the direction of Mohammed Anverally.
Tea brings people together during life's special moments. We have worked hard and passionately to select, blend and bring you the world's favourite Ceylon tea since 1890. Our philosophy is very simple: to sell only the best Ceylon tea. Recipes have been passed down to me from generation to generation, to awaken the senses with every sip you drink.
Every year, Anverally blends and exports over 20 million kilos of tea purchased at the world's largest tea auction, the Colombo Tea Auction. Once the best quality leaves has been purchased, it is brought to our state-of-the-art manufacturing facility, where the most cutting-edge technology and equipment is used to flavour, blend and package the tea. We perform stringent quality checks throughout the process to maintain our international standards of quality. The in-house laboratory and testing facilities ensure every product is of the same high export quality. And Anverally tea's diverse range of Ceylon tea products are exported from Sri Lanka to over 70 countries around the world. Anverally tea is the most preferred tea in the Middle Eastern region. Al-Atur is a market leader in the Middle East. Tea for You is one of Europe's most sought-after tea brands. Sultan Tea has garnered a loyal following in Africa in just 10 years and continues to grow in popularity. Every year we explore new markets and create new blends to satisfy our discerning customers. Anverally tea has been recognized many times over the years for our commitment to innovation and quality. With each of our brands and in every package we produce, we deliver Ceylon's best tea to customers around the world. The pursuit of perfection and 9 billion cups a year is proof that we are the world's favourite Ceylon tea.